Hello guys, we are at our factory, at Zenitco factory. My name is Anastasia. Today we will discuss such a topic as product tests. What comes to your mind when we talk about tests? Probably some kind of hard shooting from machine gun, with underbarrel grenade launcher with 12 caliber, freezing into a block of ice, but the tests are not limited to this. They are carried out constantly, including tests at the factory. We test our products for resistance to various influences, for example, vibration or temperature. We conduct constant quality control without departing from production. Let's take a closer look. I'm near a vibration test electrodynamic machine, or more simply, at a vibration stand. Why do we need the vibration stand? The vibration stand is needed to test products for vibration resistance and stability. All components of the product are checked. That is, for example, we make a new product or conduct some kind of periodic tests of existing products. We place the product into the vibration stand, shake it. After shaking, it goes to quality control. Technical control department checks whether the parameters have deviated from the original parameters after shaking. What loads do we give? They are determined by GOSTs. We try to simulate the recoil of shooting from a rifle, but we can also set more severe loads. For example, a shot from a cannon, but now it is not necessary. Our task is not to destroy, but to test under conditions that are slightly more severe than those in which the product will be used. Now, pierced combined device is installed into the vibration stand. The loads that we currently set are 4G acceleration and 25 Hz frequency. This is a climatic chamber, or a chamber of heat, cold and humidity. Allows you to simulate various weather conditions. Our products are used in different climatic zones, from the far north to the most sunny and southern regions. It is necessary to check how they behave at different temperatures and humidity. And by the way, this applies not only to products in general, but also to some component parts. For example, we want to change the sealant, use some new manufacturer. Before using it in serial products, we will conduct tests. Yes, the temperature parameters will be written in the sealant passport, but it's better to check it ourselves. So, how does the camera work? I open the chamber door, put the product in there, I close the door. Now there is Vzor one red dot inside, and I turn on the program. Not only tests are important, but also constant monitoring. For example, I am now at the quality control department, where our products go after metalworking in order to be checked. We check visually and also measure key indicators so they correspond to the drawings. 100% of products pass such control. As you can see, the production is large. There are many interesting things that I would like to show and tell you. I think we will continue to do this in new videos. So far, the products that are produced on these machines are on our website en.zenitco.ru. The list of our official partners is on en.zenitco.ru in Partners section. Write your questions in comment section. Thank you for pressing the like button, follow our channel, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.